Hello, I'm Pang from CSP. Welcome to our another video. Today, I'm going to explain about all the solution of the battery charger you need. The MT1200 intelligent battery charger. The MT1200 is not a charger, it's an intelligent partner designed to extend the life of your batteries and keep your vehicles running smoothly. It is advanced technology. The MT1200 automatically diagnoses, charges and maintains your 12-volt batteries with precision. LCD display provides clear information on charging status, making it simple to monitor and manage the process. It supports both lead-acid and lithium-ion batteries. It is versatile and powerful. The MT1200 is perfect for cars, motorcycles and more. It is built to handle any 6-volt and 12-volt batteries with care and efficiency. With a maximum charging current of 8 amperes, the MT1200 auto-adjusts to prevent overcharging, ensuring your battery's life. Safety is our first priority. The MT1200 comes equipped with high-low voltage protection, reverse connection protection, high temperature protection, overcharge protection and short circuit protection. Meanwhile, this product has a standard waterproof and dustproof protection, ensuring safety and durability with fear of raining or splashing. The MT1200 has a feature with independent pulse repair function, which helps to restore and maintain the health of your batteries by using high-frequency pulses to reduce sulfation and extend battery's life. It is compact and portable. The MT1200 is designed for convenience. Take it with anywhere and always be ready for a quick charge. Upgrade your charging experience with the MT1200 6-volt and 12-volt intelligent battery charger. It is reliable, efficient and smart. Visit us at CSP Charger Super Pro and get yours today. Charge smarter, live better.